welcome back everyone. It is your girl Cassandra Olivia, and today's video is sponsored by a company called Wavymy Hair. This video is me reviewing a closure wig that they sent me. So real briefly, I'm just showing you guys the packaging. I thought the box on the outside was really cute with like that triangle print with the different rose golds and whites. Then you have a mask, a wig cap, the wig, and also a hairpin. So they sent me a loose deep unit. This is a 4x4 closure, and this is 20 inches. So I'm just taking it straight out of the packaging, showing you how it looks. And this is the natural texture, how it comes, and you can wet this, which I'm going to do, and I'm going to show you when I install it. So once you take out the paper from the inside, they do have the 3 standard combs in the side and then the extra comb in the back, as well as this extra lace that I'm going to cut off before I install it, and then your adjustable straps. And then I like to use the straps and just put them like on the same exact one, because you guys know I have a really small head. And then it also has like, you know, the closure at the top. So I'm just showing you guys how it looks, and then I'm also going to show you guys how the knots look. The knots to me were a little bit thicker than usual, so I definitely went in and bleached them. I put a snippet in here of me bleaching the knots. I did it off camera just because I left my ring light stand, so I just let that sit for 20 minutes. I just mixed some Schwarzkopf Blonde Me with 30 volume developer, and I let that sit for about 35 to 40 minutes. And then I rinsed it out with the purple shampoo, and here we are. So my hair is just slicked back and under a cap already, ready to go. And I'm just fitting this wig on. I already adjusted the straps in the back how I like, and now I'm just pulling everything down and just seeing where I want to wear this wig. I like the curls and I like how full this is, so I thought I was going to do like a free part situation, but I am going to go in and show you guys how it looks when you part it different ways. This is me just trying to figure out what I'm going to do, and I was shaking this back and forth. You already know I do the shake test, guys, because I wanted to see if this unit will stay on if I don't do the combs in the front. So all I used was the elastic band in the back, and I was good to go. So now I'm just cutting the lace, and then I'll be back in just a second. Right here, I'm just showing you guys where the tracks start, just so you can be mindful not to part too close to that. You just want to make sure that whatever you have falls in front of those lines on the side, because you don't want to pull it back and show your tracks that are on the side. This is a machine made wig. So here I am just going in and spraying this with just water. I didn't add any conditioner or anything, because I really wanted to see how the hair was going to curl once I added the product. And I mean, oh my goodness, I wanted to see how the hair was going to curl once I added the water without any product, because I want to see the natural curl pattern. So I just saturated this pretty well, and they had like this little white tag in the back. I don't know if that's like something that they do, or if this was just like a little mishap, but that was me just cutting that out. And now I'm just going to fit this. I'm going to show you guys parting it a couple different ways, more specifically a middle part and a side part, because that's what I prefer. And then I'll be back in just a second. So now I'm just going in with some Nairobi foam wrap just to set this part in the front, just because it was trying to like not part the way I wanted it to. So I'm just applying this to the top just to slick that hair down a little bit better, so that way it's not like those two pieces just being weird, like sticking out. So I'm just going to comb this through, and then I'm going to let that dry, and I'm going to start scrunching my hair just to add a little bit more volume and texture back into the curls. Okay, so now I'm really trying to shake test now that I already wet the hair and I'm ready to go. And this is how it looked once I was done fully saturating it. You see how the curls just came to life? So I was really feeling this, and I'm just gonna sit here and play around with this. You guys let me know your thoughts down below, and I'll also drop all the information down below for Wavymy Hair and their information. They are having a back to school sale, so I'm believing that they have like a whole bunch of discount codes and things that you can use. So get in where you fit in. This is like a really easy pop on the go type of unit. You really don't have to do too much to this besides just part it and wet it down. Again, I haven't put anything in this besides the Nairobi just at the top, just to make sure that the hair wasn't stuck with that weird part. So now I'm just going to play around with the side part and the middle part, And this is pretty much me styling it. Once I'm done, I'm just going to show you guys the curl pattern and how it looks overall. And I just really appreciate everybody so much for watching and bearing with me. At this point, I'm just having fun styling this hair. I wasn't quite sure what I wanted to go with, so here I am just going and just playing around with the side part versus the middle part, shaking it around, just doing my own thing. And yeah, this is pretty much it. I'm just gonna keep playing around with it until it does what I want it to do. And I'm just adding a little bit more foam wrap just because I felt like I was moving the front around so much that it wasn't really giving it a chance to lay down the way I wanted. So I did go back in with just a tiny bit. You can wrap your hair down with a scarf if you want. I opted not to because I do want it to be curly and have volume at the top. I don't want it to be curly at the bottom and then flat at the top, which is why I decided just to do it like this, so that way when it curls back up, it'll still lay where I want it to, but then it won't be too flat. So here I am just wetting the hair a little bit more, and I will show you guys how it looks when I'm done. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, I'll drop Wavymy's information down below. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and follow your girl on Instagram at _Cassandra Olivia. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.